certified things in a specific shop known as KALDI Farm or KALDI Farm. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but yes, we are going there to find some halal certified things. So let's go. So here we are at KALDI Coffee Farm. I guess every shopping mall has one KALDI farm. You can find many important international products in this shop. I personally buy many things from this shop. Those who don't know how to read Japanese, they can easily read the ingredients of many products because they are written in English. Now come on, let's hunt for halal certified items. They have so many options for different types of tea like oolong tea, jasmine tea and much more. They have many curries, Thai, Indonesian, many sauces, paste, dressings, including Japanese also and international brands, many canned fishes like sardines, olives, pickles. You can get every kind of spice under one roof. Other than shelves, you can see so many things coming on your way while walking. You can see some spreads, marshmallows, and here comes the cookies and snacks. Many are imported, so you can check the ingredients from the back, which are written in English. Other than international products, you can also get the local Japanese items, the spices, miso, and many other things which are local and available in every market. So they have everything under one roof. You can get candies. There are few halal certified candies available in KALDI, and I just like these candies a lot. You have got a chocolate section. There are so many imported chocolates. You can get Kisses, Dairy Milk, and yes, they have Snickers, which is halal certified also. There comes the noodles section. Okay, the day I visited, on that day they were out of halal certified noodles, which were of Indomie and some Korean brands. You can get many kinds of beans, sauces again, and jams, maple syrup and marshmallow fluff, some spreads, and yes, here comes the Italian section where you can get many kinds of pastas and pizza sauce, salsa, many things. Here comes the flour section, or you can say the baking section. Yeast, baking powder, many kinds of flour, pancake mix, and here is the Korean section. All kinds of Korean spices, paste, misos. They have a lot of varieties of nuts and dried fruits. More snacks, so many snacks. There are chips, biscuits. There are two cool sections where one is dairy cheese products and one is like tortillas, something stuff like that. They have a lot of mueslis and oats too. I'm sharing some products which I found today, which are halal certified, or you can say vegan. There are candies, many paste, tomato paste, there are crab paste, so many things. You can even find halal soy sauce, dark sauce, light sauce. I'm just sharing halal certified items because there are many items we can actually eat and use because the ingredients are safe for Muslims. And those who know Japanese, they can easily translate the ingredients of the Japanese products, or those whose ingredients are written in Japanese. You may find many more things which is halal certified in this shop. As I said before, many things go out of stock, so I didn't find noodles today. So you might find in the Kaldi shops which is nearby your areas. They have Indian section as well. You can get many Indian curries or spices. I hope you like this video and do visit Kaldi Farm to get your hands on halal certified items. Do comment on the comment section below to let me know what else did you find. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Sayonara. Till next time.